Hello, welcome to my devlog for Orbital 2021. My name is Joshan and I will be working with my partner Drehi. We plan to use Unity to make a class-based racing game, so think Mario Kart plus Rocket League plus Overwatch. Right now in the background you can see me making my first donut in Blender because we plan to use original 3D models and original music. For those of you who don't know what Orbital is, it's an independent software development project done in pairs of 2, and Orbital students propose, design, execute, implement and market their project to peers and faculty. This module is offered by NUS during the summer break. For Orbital you can choose 4 levels of achievement. We choose Project Gemini because we didn't want to think too highly of ourselves and we didn't have game dev development, but we do play games. The first thing we tried setting up was Unity's brand new multiplayer networking API, and I guess we did get the host and client thing to kind of work. Then we played around with Blender for the first time in our lives and researched tutorials on how to make a multiplayer 3D racing game. Not ambitious at all. So a few problems that we met here was that we were trying to find a way to sync our work together, so think GitHub. So we tried using this thing called GitHub for Unity or Unity for GitHub, I can't remember, but it just came with so many issues that we ended up using Unity Collaborate instead. So after an hour and a half of debugging this stupid thing, we imported our first car from the Unity asset store and brought it into our game. Also made a tree because why not? During this process and through experimenting with the ML API, we learned about prefabs, scripts, assets and how they kind of interlink with each other. I then changed the car color to blue because it matched our aesthetic better. So this is the first time that we managed to get the car driving, and you can hear Dre's reaction.
Wow! The car?
A few moments later.
Next, I played around with Unity's inbuilt tree tool or something and just played with the sliders because the need for instant gratification just overwhelms me sometimes. Anyway, why I started doing this developers vlog is because I thought that it would provide value to those who are planning to take Orbital and also document our learning process throughout this whole journey as first-time game developers. And here you can see assets made by people who actually know what they're doing. Okay, back to work. So we spent time understanding how view colliders work and anyway, what we learned was that it's really complicated to understand how these 3D stuff interact with one another. And there's just so many properties and things you have to tweak to get it working the way you want it to. Eventually we realized that we were looking at the wrong thing all along. We didn't actually have to use view colliders, and we should actually be looking for something called arcade car physics. But we also discovered that you could tweak the car's properties in real time using C# scripts, which would be essential when we develop our shooting mechanics. So that is the end of devlog 1, and I hope you stay tuned to find out what comes out of this, if anything comes out of this. Bye!